About charged probably about $100 for this job. So yeah, I was trying to just get some footage before I get started, but I'll show you about showtime now. Just hold it right there and they get sucked up. Doesn't take much to set off these bald-faced hornets. Their attack behavior isn't as scary, but they're more easily set off. See the inside. There's a queen. I sucked up the queen. Larva. As the nesting started, they built out here. These are unit-built cells. You can see those there. I try to make these videos interesting, and this species only has one comb per ring. Workers, and usually in July they switch to a second comb. And then after the second comb, and all subsequent combs are used for the rearing of males and new queens. Larval rag went around in there. A lot of crop cells. Another week and a half, there'd be probably about 80 or so workers in this nest. Now it's just the foragers that are coming back. I suck them up and then the job will be done. Anyway, nice sunny day, and this is the first job for the Wasp Expert of 2016. Alright, have a good one.